Lab Safety Quiz. You can refer to the Google slide presentation to help you answer these questions. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. True or false? When your activity is completed, you do not need to clean your work area. True or false? What is the correct term for smelling a material in a science lab? Waffle, waft, or loft? True or false? Throwing a paper across the room is considered horseplay. True or false? What should you never do if your clothing catches on fire? Stop or run? True or false? If you break something, you should never notify your teacher. True or false? True or false? You should never put solid waste material in the sink. True or false? Who should you tell first if an accident occurs in class? Your friend, your mom, or your teacher? True or false? You should eat the materials in the lab. True or false? What should be worn while dissecting or using chemicals? Goggles, hats, or sandals? True or false? You should never ask permission to perform activities. True or false? After I submit this quiz, I should return to the Google Classwork tab and turn in the assignment. True or false?